This is the Word City Traveler, your number one traveling channel. Yes, we take you to many beautiful cities in Italy and also beyond the borders of Italy. Today, my tour has taken me to the beautiful capital city of Italy, Rome. I will take you through beautiful places, take you through that is Spanish Square. Take you there, you see the fountain, beautiful Rome people, take you through the beautiful streets of Rome, the old streets and the new streets. I'll let you see the Trevi fountain. I'll take you to many other places. I hope you will stay with me as I take you through many other places, their gardens, and many more is coming. So stay tuned as I take you through this tour. Let's go with me and subscribe. Welcome to my lovely channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, if you are new here, if you are not part of the family, kindly subscribe and then press the bell for notification whenever I post a new video. Today my tour, like I said in the intro, has taken me to Rome. As you can see, at my back is that was the Spanish Piazza di Spagna, Spanish Square. That's Spanish Square. Now I just climbed to the balcony, or that's the porch of the Church of Trinità dei Monti, the Church of Trinity of Monti. That's where I'm standing now. Behind me is the square of Spanish, or the Spanish Square in Rome. That beautiful square is over there. You get the picture of the city of Rome. Very beautiful. So now I am descending to, that is the square, the Spanish Square. Their famous steps is where I am now currently walking majestically to the square, that beautiful square, So here I turn for you to see that church. The church is over there on your shot. So here I am right there. It's a beautiful square with this beautiful historic fountain on your shot. Many people are there. It's very sweet. As you can see, it's a summer, very hot weather with a fresh, cold fountain. I got myself a bottle of water from the fountain, very sweet. So this is the Spanish, here is the Spanish Square, Piazza di Spagna, molto bella, questa piazza molto bella, è piazza importante, piazza famoso, popolare in Italia. Quindi si vede che ci sono tante persone qui. Anch'io come turista sono piaciuto tanto a girare, a camminare nella questa bellissima store piazza. It's very beautiful square. So as you can see, so here I moved to that deep. I'm still in the Spanish Square, close to where I saw a Spanish flag. There's a Spanish flag over there behind me. I guess it's the Spanish embassy. I guess, because since this square is Spanish Square, and seeing the Spanish flag, so I deduce that maybe that's the flag at my back. You can see behind me, that's the Spanish flag. So this is Rome, famous Spanish Piazza di Spagna, famoso Piazza di Spagna. So when you visit Rome, come here Now I've moved to another beautiful place called Trevi Fountain. Fontana Trevi. So a little history is that this fountain was created by that's a French architect. So very beautiful. A lot of people, whenever you visit Rome, Trevi Fountain is one of the places you cannot afford to miss. When you miss this place, then it means you did not visit Rome. Kindly subscribe to Worldwide City Traveler, share it, be part of the family. Whenever you visit another city somewhere within the world, you will find a notification and you will be alerted so that you can get opportunity to watch it. So that is it. Here's it. Let's continue. So as I'm going around, I'm touring this beautiful fountain, clean water here too. Because of the weather, I made this video in the end, that is 27th August. So it was very hot. So very hot in Rome, very hot. As you can see, a lot of people. So I got to know that when you throw a coin into, so here I'm asking for a coin from my wife, asking for coins from the family. So they were kind. They have given me a coin, as maybe you can hear from me. So I'm going to throw the coin into the fountain. It believes that when you throw coin into it, whatever you desire will come to pass. So I also prayed. I said something within my heart without voicing out. Then I threw. You can see I threw the coin into the fountain. Very lovely. I enjoyed the experience. Beautiful Rome. Wonderful fountain. So this is Rome for you, Worldwide City Traveler, bringing this to you. Then I moved to another place in Rome, that is Piazza Scipione Borghese. Piazza Scipione Borghese. It's a beautiful garden, very big. So this museum is located within the garden, very beautiful big garden, close to the city center. From here, then you get closer to the wall. So I'm also going around for you to see that museum in the garden museum, Scipione Borghese, Piazza Scipione Borghese. I'll also go to the other side. Here is the front view, the back side for you to see. Okay, here is the back side of the Scipione Borghese museum. That museum over there, that's the gardens, neatly kept. So that's it. It's very beautiful city. So that's it. Here is my lovely tour in Rome. Second part will come. I will take you to another places, another city, because this channel is a very educative channel, traveling channel. Diciamo questo canale è educativo, canale che ci aiuta a scoprire Italia, ci aiuta a scoprire tante città Italia. Grazie, ciao, subscribe, ciao.